So we got a new pet. You want to see our new pet? It's an electronic pet. Doesn't it look like a pet? I think he needs a name.
We might need to give him a name.
We'll name him the Furbot. So this, you guys, was sent to us by a company called Aiper. Aiper Smart.
There's their logo.
Aiper Smart, and this is a wireless pool cleaner.
And I have to admit, no assembly required. Pulled it out of the box just like that. Bag of accessories. Looks like maybe a string to get it out from under the bottom, so you don't have to go diving for it. And then a little power cable and some extra accessories.
So it's completely wireless. We have to plug it in to charge it, of course. So we take it out of the pool to plug it in and charge it, and then we put it in the pool. But it goes along the bottom of the pool, and it's, what do they call it? A pool vacuum.
Bottom skimmer?
Yeah, so we've never had one before. This will be pretty cool. Maybe it'll make less dog hair in the pool, or less of this, because that snow is definitely getting in the pool right now.
Yeah. That's it, just a little brush and a little suction.
That's so cool. And then there's a bunch of different
I see that. You
settings
can adjust for the height, probably.
How cool. Yeah, so we're gonna have to read the instructions on this, plug it in, and let her go, see what happens. So we showed you in a vlog the other day, Aiper Smart pool vacuum cleaner thingy. The pool is now full. Kira's like, let me help. I want help. We charged this, the pool is full. We're gonna put it in there and see what happens, because some little dog already got sand in the bottom of the pool. So I see it, it's right there. That's where the sand is, in the bottom of the pool.
I saw that. I'm like, is that a wrinkle? Oh, we got a wrinkle.
Nope, it's sand. Did you turn it on before you put it in?
No.
Well, you probably should do that, don't you think?
So this is the on switch. So
that's the on switch. It's on. Is it doing a thing? Kira's like, whoa, this is really interesting. I'm checking this out.
I don't know if it's doing a thing or not.
It's not moving. Oh, does it take a minute? Oh, there, it's moving! Yep, just takes a minute. So it has to like fill up with water. So I think we have to like, the thing on the top is to make it turn where it needs to turn and stuff.
Yeah.
There it goes. It's cleaning the pool. We have a pool pet.
Oh yeah, Kira's gonna go for that.
That's so cool. It cleaned the sand that was right there. It drove right over it and got it. Wow, maybe we'll actually have less dog hair and sand in the pool this year.
Yeah.
And it's got a little handle. It got that sand that was over here too.
Yep, it went right over that one and got it.
Yep. So it'll run for like, it says about 90 minutes. And then we take it out and put it back on the charger. We'll have to attach the GoPro to it one of these days. Kira's like, what is going on? Get in there and get it.
What is that?
You think you're tough?
What is that?
Get it. She's like, I don't know if I'm that tough. All right, we got a pool cleaner. Gotta go check out her pool friend. It's still in there. She's checking him out. Dad, did you know my pool friend is still in here? You should save him for me. Time to pull him out. Check that out.
So light too.
Make sure.
I'd probably get it to here. Maybe if I just let the water drain out, right?
Right, yeah. So now we're gonna show you guys the filter so you can actually see all the stuff that it picked up. Kira, that's what it is. That's what's in there. That's the pool pet that's in there.
2 clips on each side. The top lifts right up.
Hey, girls, excuse
don't
us.
want that. And there's the
Excuse
screen.
us. Look it. So that's all the stuff that it picked up. The sand. Get out of there. The sand, the dog hair. Look at that.
Meow.
That's amazing. That's pretty cool.
And then it's done.
Yay! Okay, you can roll in it. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, no, I'll rinse it.
How cool! Makes it a lot easier to clean the pool, huh?
Yeah.